Hello friends. National Test Abhyas app has been launched recently by the Indian HRD Ministry for students appearing in NEET and JEE examinations this year, that is going to be held in July 2020. To know more about the plus points, the limitations, and how to use the National Test Abhyas app for NEET 2020 preparation, stay with me throughout the video. Welcome to BioLearn. I am Akshay Dave, your biology facilitator. National Test Abhyas app was launched on 20th May 2020 by the Union HRD Minister, Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and has been downloaded by over 2 lakh medical and engineering aspirants within 72 hours. Due to this lockdown situation going on across India, many students must have paid for online coaching to study during this phase. Whereas some students may not be able to pay for online coaching due to some financial crisis resulting from this lockdown situation. Hence, this app is a very good initiative by the Government of India to provide free practice resources to all the students across the country. One of my previous videos linked here will give you 10 tips for NEET 2020 preparation so that you can consider these important parameters while you are preparing. Another video linked here will guide you with a 45-day NEET 2020 preparation master plan with a recommended daily schedule that you should follow. Both these videos will be really helpful to you, so do watch them. So let us quickly go through the plus points of National Test Abhyas app. This app is completely free for all students. The 3-hour mock tests that are available here also include higher level questions that are out of NCERT syllabus. So it will give you an idea about the higher order questions that are generally asked in NEET. These mock tests are uploaded on a regular basis. Mock tests can be first downloaded and then attempted in offline mode, hence the app uses very less data. Students will get a fair idea about the NTA format and the level of questions that can be asked this year. This app is definitely a good source of exam practice to enhance your preparation. There are possibilities that some questions in NEET or JEE can be directly asked from some of these mock tests. Now let us quickly understand the few limitations of this app. This app is currently only for Android. Apple iOS version will be launched soon. The app features questions only for English medium students. Hence, students attempting NEET in other regional languages may struggle a bit to use it. And it is but obvious that the app is new, so it has some technical issues on some Android devices. By the way, if you are already finding this video helpful, then subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get all the future notifications. So, how should we use the National Test Abhyas app? The National Test Abhyas app can be easily downloaded from the Google Play Store into your Android smartphone. Once the app is installed, you need to sign up using your email or mobile number and set a preferred password. After you log in, you can then select JEE or NEET, whichever exam you are preparing for. Next, you'll get the option of attempting full syllabus tests. Clicking on this option will take you to a list of all mock tests that have been uploaded so far. More mock tests will be added regularly. Once you select a test to attempt, you will get on-screen technical guidelines to attempt the test, followed by instructions that you should follow during the test. Now click on I am ready to begin, so you will get option to turn on airplane mode so that you can attempt the test offline. Once the settings have been activated by you, the test will start and you are ready to go for 3 hours. Questions based on physics, chemistry and biology will be displayed on your screen as you go on completing the respective sections. At the end, you can submit the test after the confirmation message. Once submitted, you will be asked to connect to internet again so that your test can sync and generate results for you. By doing this, you will get advanced feedback and analysis which will help you reflect on your NEET preparation. So, I hope this video was helpful to you to know everything about National Test Abhyas app. Start attempting tests on this app and enhance your NEET 2020 preparation. Subscribe my channel and support me to create more of such useful and informative videos. Share this video with as many students as you can, because sharing is caring. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you all in the next video.